What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Ethereum. As you all can see, Ethereum has been going according to my prediction. I made it known to each one of us that we should be expecting a very serious pullback. And as you can see, over the course of yesterday, we have not been able to break above this level right here. So, if I should take all this away from here, you would see that Ethereum is going to be very bearish this week, if possible this week. Maybe we'll get the correction we've been talking about this week. And our price target is with the look of ETH, guys. I am very skeptical about, sorry about that, I'm very skeptical about this week being let me put my stuff on do not disturb. So I'm very skeptical about ETH not being bullish this week. I'm seeing this week as the week whereby ETH is going to be taking a very serious correction. And as you can see, ETH is actually like beginning to, correct to the downside. It's beginning to, correct to the downside, which is healthy. Yes, it's very healthy. And moving to the daily time frame, we could see right here that today is just like the day it will be getting its confirmation candle, because as you can see, if you've watched my previous video, you will know that I've been calling for a correction or a pullback from ETH. You could see all the way to this resistance right here. We couldn't break above it, so we're getting a confirmation candle. So if we're going to drop down, worst case scenario, we're dropping all the way down to $2,000. Now this is very scary, because if ETH is currently around this level, if ETH is around this level, I'm having a very bearish feeling for this week, because Bitcoin is actually doing pretty well. This isn't the account I used to analyze my Bitcoin video today, but Bitcoin is doing very well. As you can see, even in this particular chart, you could see how Bitcoin is able to break above this resistance, and it also reclaim its previous level. So if Bitcoin is not going to be able to break around this level, $105,000, we are good. But if Bitcoin should break below this level and we get a retest and we drop all the way down to 1,200, I would say yes, we might still be good. Yes, we might still be good. But the only thing is, if when Bitcoin drops below this level, we are definitely going to get a free fall all the way down to $95,000. Now for Ethereum, on the other hand, we might drop all the way down to $2,400, but it won't make sense that we're going to drop to $2,400, because we have actually dropped all the way down to $2,400, which there seems to be a lot of buy orders are within this range. But buy orders within this range should only mean one thing, that okay, since there's a lot of buy orders, we are going high, but it seems like the bears are actually winning, so there's every possibility for us to drop down. So let us not say, okay, worst case scenario, we're dropping all the way down to $2,000. Okay, let's say we are going to drop all the way down to this level, which is the 2,270 something level. We should be expecting that 2,270 level, so we should be expecting that. But we should just have it at the back of our mind that for ETH might not have a nice week or some couple of days from now, ETH will just be correcting. That is just my own opinion, and it will definitely affect altcoins. So that is just all I just need to like let each and every one of us know. Maybe I'll be doing a market video of the market update for each and every one of you, especially given the fact that Trump and the Chinese government or the Asian government will definitely be meeting in London to discuss trade deals. So the market will be very vulnerable, and the fact that Ethereum has established this bearish pattern or bearish move, ready to go to the downside, ready to spike all the way to the downside. If the vulnerability should be in the market and there's a lot of volatility, it's going to be very bad for Ethereum. Not bad in the sense that, oh, it's going to drop all the way down to it's going to drop all the way down, I'll get liquidated, but because my liquidation price is at $1,680. So I'm not saying we're going to spike down to that level. Well, it's crypto, anything could happen, but I'm just trying to say that okay, we should be very, very, very cautious. We should be very, very cautious. So the fact that the 200 EMA is around the daily is around this level, which is the 2,300 level. There's every possibility that we could, recover from this level, but find a very proper support around this level. So we should definitely keep our eyes for these particular levels right here for ETH. If you do enjoy this video, guys, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week. Peace out.